Today I'm going to show you how the raw food diet works and why it's so popular. Hi guys, welcome to today's diet, and today we're going to be talking about the raw food diet. What exactly is a raw food diet? Well, it's basically when you eat only foods that are not heated above 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 46 degrees Celsius. Why would somebody want to do this? It can help with weight loss by giving your body more time for digestion because of how long it takes for cooked foods to break down in your stomach compared to raw ones. There are also some people who believe that cooking destroys too many nutrients found in these foods, while others say they feel healthier overall when they stick with eating only raw foods. The diet teaches users that when you use your oven or other methods to cook the food, you strip the food of all the enzymes and natural goodness such as the nutrients. These enzymes and nutrients are what helps give the body protection against certain health problems, illnesses, and diseases. This isn't a new theory when it comes to healthy eating. It has roots as far back as the 1800s, and one of the keys to this diet is to consume food that hasn't been changed in any way, and that includes GMOs or foods that have been treated with any kind of substance that kills pests or other plants. The diet is good for overall health, weight loss, lowering blood pressure, and preventing heart disease. Studies showed that on this diet, dangerous abdominal fat could be shed and the BMI successfully lowered. The way that the diet works sounds pretty easy at first glance. You eat raw foods. But there's more to it than that. You will be consuming things like nuts, vegetables, fruits, and seeds, but you'll have to eat these items without them having been through any processing stage that changes the nutritional value or adds something that's not natural to the food item. Most people who follow this diet eat organic. You can consume fruits and vegetables that are raw. The diet also allows certain grains and other raw foods such as certain dairy items. The eating plan does allow users to warm the food items, but it can't reach more than a certain degree or the temperature then destroys the nutritional value of the food and it changes from raw to cooked. What's good about this diet is that it's customizable. You can create your own eating plan as long as a third of the food that you eat is based solely on plants and not cooked. Raw fish is allowed on this diet as well as things like certain dried foods. You can't have foods that are pasteurized or refined. How successful you are on this diet will depend on a lot on food preparation because there are a lot of steps you'll have to do. You'll have to learn how to dehydrate foods, how to juice, how and what to blend with, and more. There are some tools that you'll need to buy if you're going to follow this diet. Those who've found success on it have appliances such as food processors, dehydrators, and blenders to help them eat healthy. If you've never followed a raw food diet before, you'll want to get a raw food guidebook or recipe book. That ends today's video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell below. See you soon for another video.